What's up, humans? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christopher Mars. For those of you who don't know me, I am a fashion, portrait, and fine art photographer located in Chicago. And today is week 3 of my 52-week long project. What is the project? If you don't already know, it is a 52-week long project slash journey where I will pretty much be challenging myself as an artist to come up with a creative photo shoot concept every week and take you guys behind the scenes. And I have to be completely honest. For this week, I currently have no idea what I'm going to do. No idea whatsoever. So that's somewhat of a dilemma, but it's okay, because I still have a little bit of time. My shoot is technically tomorrow at 12:30, and it is currently 4 p.m., so I have a little bit of time. So what I think I'm pretty much going to do right now is go like scavenge around my apartment and see if there's anything that I can find that I could use, because honestly I'm feeling just something super simple, to the point, creative, but you know, just not anything super extravagant, because I'm not in the mood for that right now. So I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back. I have a few things that I found in my house just like laying around, but we'll see if we can do anything with them. So I found this like red yarn, which I bought, I want to say like at least a year ago. I bought 2 of them and I still have done nothing with them. I had this like really cool idea that I wanted to do, but it takes a lot of time because like it involves a lot of yarn, so we'll see if we do that. Not really sure. I have these silver gloves, which could be fun. I wore these on Halloween. I don't know. But I also have these feathers, which I could glue them to the model's face, which I did before. I did that like 2 years ago. But the photo did come out really cool and super dope, so I could do like a variation of that. We'll see. I also have, of course, I still have all these butterflies from my last shoot, but we want to put those away since that last shoot was like low-key kind of iconic. What else do I have? And then I have a bunch of like string lights, which could be fun. I also have this like bunny mask, which I love. I've done a shoot with that. It was a self-portrait. It was like super scandalous. What else? I have these lace gloves. I also have this gas mask, which I've used like 2 times, but we'll see. It's super dope. It kind of like, it smells funny because of like the latex and everything, but that's cool. I also have this like tinsel stuff. Not really sure where that came from, but I don't know. Nothing is like really inspiring me that much, so this may be a flop. I also have this gauze. This, not gauze, but like it's like cloth stuff that was like Halloween decorations I got from Target. I also have lots of flowers. I have dead flowers. That could be cool. We gotta keep looking. Okay, so I think I finally figured out what I'm gonna do. After about like 20 minutes of blasting music in my apartment, dancing, looking out the window, looking all around my apartment to see if I can find something that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to go back to something that I already have pulled out. I'm going to use the red yarn. I figured it's been over a year since I bought it and I haven't done anything with it, so might as well. I have a cool concept in mind, but if anything, this is at least a good starting point, and then once we're at the shoot, I can always expand and like play around with it. So what I plan on doing right now with this yarn is I plan on wrapping it around like his neck, pretty much around the model's neck, and going all around so there's like no spaces, so it's very like crispy, and then also like wrapping it around his face and seeing what happens there. That could technically just be it with the photo, but I think I want to add another layer just to add a little bit more dimension and mystery to the photo, and that is going to be this like big piece of plexiglass. So all this is I took this out of a picture frame that I had in my house that isn't even hung up, and I'm like, you know, I can use this. It could be like a nice barrier. I could add some like texture to the photo, and I think it'll be fun and play around with. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make these two elements work, keep on watching. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified every single time that I post new content. Now let's get to the video. Ready? Alright, so here at today's shoot, I have my model Lawrence with me. You can find him on Instagram at
Everyday Lawrence.
Perfect. And today we are going to be wrapping you in red yarn. Yeah, so it'll be a little interesting, a little fun. I kind of got the idea yesterday from just running around my house trying to find something that I could use, and I ended up like going back into like my drawer of all of my little like props that I bought before and finding this yarn that I bought a good like year and a half ago, I think, and I never used. So I was like, might as well use this and see what I can do. So we're gonna use this, and we're also gonna use this like piece of plexiglass that I took out of a picture frame, which is really easy, super simple. And we're just gonna like spray that with water in front of his face so that it can add like that rain-like texture and just like add a little bit more like interest into the photo. That's hilarious. I'm wrapping your head with red yarn this time, and the first time
it was with bandages.
I like covered you in bandages.
Oh, for the photo, it was a dope shot though.
The photo was amazing. It was really funny because we were literally downstairs on like the sidewalk, and I'm just like sticking band-aids on his face.
Yeah.
And every single car that walked by was like, or drove by, I was like, what's going on? We had the cops come on us that time.
Yeah.
And I was literally just like, yeah, I'm a photographer, it's fine. And then we had like this homeless guy that was just like running across the street, and that's who they were looking for.
Yeah.
Stories of living in Chicago and being a creative. You never know what you're gonna get. So that's fun and fresh and cute. Some hair gel. The goal is to get the yarn to be like completely straight around his neck and half of his face. That's the goal. And have there to be like no spaces showing skin. So. You tell me at our first shoot you go through problems of being too tall.
A little too tall.
Because how tall are you?
I'm 6'3" or 6'4", and a lot of times pants are a little too short, sleeves are a little too short.
So you're like, no.
You know, you're squeezing in.
Gotcha.
There are a few brands that I found that like make the perfect clothes. And those
Okay.
are the ones I stick with. So ASOS is my go-to. Get the pants from there, shirts, coats.
ASOS should sponsor us.
Please, if you're watching.
So I'm going to be shooting with Canon 5D Mark III with my 85mm lens, 1.4. I may use the 24 to 105 lens, but we'll see. All depends on what we're going for.
Yeah.
I'm terrible at it.
Yeah, I'll wrap it up. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Get it with the catch. Okay. Nice.
Wait, I need two. I need two plexiglasses because look at that. That's amazing.
That looks crazy though. I'm not gonna
Alright,
lie.
doesn't that look cool? I think we're done.
Wait.
Got it, we're done. Yeah.
It was amazing. I was worried about breathing, but that wasn't really a problem. I'm still alive. Yeah, it was amazing.
The shoot just ended. It was pretty amazing. I'm really happy with how the photos turned out. I feel like the best part was the light reflection that was a happy accident. So that kind of made the whole like everything of the photos. post, so I'm really excited about that. Thank you to everyone who helped me out. Thank you to Lawrence, Johnny, Chase, Marvin, of course. Thank you for everything. You can follow me on Instagram at Christopher Mars or at Mars the Martian. Lawrence
At Everyday Lawrence.
Johnny at Johnny Louis Photo. Chase at Chase Me. And make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you thought of the photos, and until next week, see you later.